in order for us to replace an entire valve and do something like that, it becomes a CapEx project and is expensive for us to cut out a valve, weld in a new one, go through all of the NDE on the valve and the piping, full project planning, management of change, piping changes.
Okay.
We'd have to go clear up to board approval. When we can just drop in a trim set, that's huge. All we have to really do is change the parts in our inventory system, and we're done. Oh yeah, since we've installed the new kits in there, I expect to see better performance from the valves across their full range of stroke. The better noise attenuation. We've had some of that trim that was cavitating, the OEM trim was, and so yeah, much better performance. We've seen excellent performance from CCI drag valves in the past, and we expect nothing but that with these. We've had about 10 of these valves in service for the last 20 years, and they've required minimal maintenance, and they've got exceptional performance. And that's some of the main things that are required for reliable power generation. When we run basically 24/7 around for the full year, we're putting a lot of wear and tear on these valves, and so we've been historically over the last 10 years or so, we've been overhauling these valves annually. So we expect with the new CCI drag valve trim going in there that we'd be able to extend that out to even greater than a couple of years. We're looking at maybe 3 to 4 years on some of these valves. Well, it changes my view of IMI CCI by understanding that they really do care about what their customers' needs are, instead of just trying to sell me brand new valves or even all the top works that go on a valve. That they're listening to what our needs are, helping us to be able to stay within our budgets and keep the plant competitive.